Let's dive into the world of photography with a simple concept that can instantly improve your shots: the exposure triangle. Whether you're snapping pics on your phone or using a DSLR, understanding this will help you take control of your camera and capture stunning images. So, what is the exposure triangle? It's made up of three key settings: ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Think of it as a balance between light and creativity. ISO is like your camera's sensitivity to light. A low ISO is great for bright days, while a higher ISO helps in low light. But be careful, too much can add noise to your photo. Aperture controls how much light enters the lens. It's like the pupil of your eye. A wide aperture, low f-stop number, lets in more light and gives you that beautiful background blur, perfect for portraits. A narrow aperture, high f-stop, is great for landscape shots, keeping everything in focus. Shutter speed is all about how long your camera's shutter stays open. A fast shutter speed freezes motion, perfect for action shots. A slow shutter speed can create stunning light trails or smooth water effects, but watch out for camera shake. The magic happens when you balance these three settings. For example, if you want a sharp, well-lit photo in low light, you might increase the ISO, widen the aperture, and slow down the shutter speed. But remember, every change affects the others. Now, grab your camera and start experimenting. Understanding the exposure triangle is your key to capturing images just the way you see them.